In a tranquil village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a remarkable young girl named Eliza. Eliza had a unique gift, a deep connection with nature and the ability to communicate with animals. Her kindness and empathy knew no bounds, as animals of all kinds sought her help and guidance. News of Eliza's extraordinary abilities spread far and wide, drawing admiration and curiosity from the villagers. Even travelers sought her wisdom, amazed by her deep understanding of nature's balance and harmony. And so, in the heart of the village and beyond, the legend of Eliza, the girl who spoke to animals and protected the wild, lived on as a beacon of empathy, harmony, and the timeless bond between all living beings.